to play with me. Look at this guy. He thinks I'm a real bird. How funny is that? Flying formation with a real bird right now. That is a new thing for me. Well, that was cool. Hello, pilots! It's your product specialist, Wesley, and today we have the EPP Eagle from Skynetic. This is a hilarious little model that I am super surprised how well this actually flies. We've been flying it around this morning, getting some pictures of it and some other video, and been really enjoying flying it. And today we're going to take you around our little field, do some soaring with you.